Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. So in today's video, I'm going to be swatching and reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipsticks. So just to let you guys know, I do not have all 14 shades. She did come out with 14 shades ranging from blues to greens to oranges. I didn't try those. They were definitely not in my comfort zone. So I just purchased two colors that I know would fit me very well. So nevertheless, I just purchased the two. And the two that I purchased are in the colors Spanked and PMS. So you'll see in the video me swatching them and also trying them on the lip. So it's like a first impression swatch type of video. And I am currently wearing PMS right now, which is my favorite one out of the two. Out of all of them, actually. When I was swatching them in the store, I was like, definitely getting PMS. So yeah. Enough said about the packaging, but you will hear everything I have to say throughout the video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up for first impressions if you like those type of videos. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the review. Alright, so I'm going to swatch both of them and then I'm going to try them on the lips. And we all know what Rihanna's packaging of these look like, but when you open this bad boy up, this packaging is so freaking pretty, you guys. Like rose gold little bullets, too cute, and they are like in geometric shapes like her other items that she has, but these are freaking amazing. So they do have the little sticky on the bottom, which will tell you which color it is, and then the FB is on the front as it is on the lipstick itself. So let's start off with Spanked. I love that her initials are imprinted on the lipstick itself. Ooh, super creamy. These are so freaking creamy, you guys. So right here is PMS, which is that chocolatey brown, and then right here is Spanked, which is like a mauvey pinky corally color. I don't know, whichever you want to say it is. So I'm going to try on the Spanked first because I'm not sure if this is going to stain my lips. So this is Spanked. They are super creamy, you guys. Like I've never saw or felt a matte lipstick as creamy as this. It's so comfortable on the lips that you can't even tell that you're wearing anything, which is my go-to. It just sucks that once you go ahead and put the lipstick on, the FB for Fenty Beauty is gone, unfortunately. But this is a corally pinky color. This is definitely an everyday color, more up my alley. You can pair this with a brown or chocolatey lip liner if you want more dimension in your lips, but I love this color. And yeah, that's Spanked. And now I'm going to try on PMS, which I'm super excited about because it's a chocolatey brown, perfect for all year round, not just fall or winter. Oh my goodness, this chocolatey color, you guys, PMS, not sure about the name, but make you feel like you got $1 million bucks. Do you see this chocolate on my lips? It is amazing. Rihanna better come through with the come through, okay? This color right here, I haven't seen it done on a creamy consistency like this. So Fenty Beauty, if you ever see this video, thank you. These are so creamy and pigmented, it makes no sense. This is definitely my favorite color. I knew this was gonna be my favorite when I saw her posting the stuff on Instagram, but this right here definitely goes with all skin tones, hands down. If you don't have these, you need to get PMS. That's basically what I'm saying. This is an awesome shade, and yeah, that's PMS. If you enjoyed this lip review on the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle lipsticks, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.